record in this. Nah? Nothing to record in this. Okay, Remy, I'm just checking. I did receive your mail. 1 minute. Remy, when did you send it, Remy?
Sir, she said on WhatsApp.
WhatsApp.
Ah, okay, WhatsApp. You sent it to me personally or on the group? No, it's not on the group.
Yeah, I sent it personally.
Your mom's number?
No, it's a different one. I have put my name on there.
Okay, 1 second.
I'll send hi again.
No, wait, I'll find it out.
सर
Yes.
सर माझं ओपन झालं.
ना व्हेरी गुड.
हा थँक्यू सर.
आता त्याच्यामध्ये तू कर आणि उद्या पाठव मला. हा आता नको पाठवू, उद्या पाठव.
चालेल.
ओके, व्हेरी गुड. चलो ओके. I got it, Remy. Okay. Yeah, good. It's a good story. Okay. So now let me start. Okay.
Sir,
मी
WhatsApp वर पाठवलंय ते फोटो.
ठीक आहे, मी बघतो नंतर. I'll check it later. All right. So let me begin. Let me take one story. And I'll tell you how you are going to take the shots for that story. Right? Now, if your story is different, you can ask me how you can take. But first, I'm going to explain the entire process of one story, any story. So let me take one story, any story which I can find. Okay. There's one different story that I got today, which I'm going to try and find and tell you. Okay. Let me find that story. Send titles. Okay. Is Anuj there? Anuj आया है क्या?
वो आया है मी.
आहे ना? ओके. अनुज, शब्द जरा बदलून वापरायचे. हा,
हो.
कळलं ना तुला काय ते?
हो.
Okay. There is one story which has come in from Delhi Shah. Okay. It is different and I like that story. Acha, everybody's story is nice. Okay. But Delhi Shah has written a little different story. So I'm going to take that as an example first. Okay. Some different idea has come in from Delhi Shah. So I'm going to first read the story. Okay. I'm going to first read the entire story. Let me read it first. Story. Acha, Delhi Shah, do you have the story with you now?
Yes, sir.
Then why don't you read it for everybody? Come on, you read it.
Sir. I'll just open it.
Yeah.
Can I start?
Yes, please start.
The mother was packing some tiffins. Daughter, sitting on the table, looks up at her and asks,
Derisha,
Yes,
थोड़ा slow and थोड़ा loud also. Okay. And everybody else, please put their mic off. Everybody else, please put their mic off, so that your sound will not come while she's speaking. Everybody, please put their mic off, except Derisha and me. Okay, Derisha, start. Slow.
Okay, sir. The mother was packing some tiffins. Daughter, sitting on the table, looks up at her and asks, Who are these? Who are you packing these for? Her mother smiles and says, These tiffins are being packed for the fighters. The daughter gave her mother a confused look. Fighters? The mother smiled guidance. Yes, for the people who are fighting in this pandemic, for the people who are fighting for their lives, and for the people who are fighting for our lives. The daughter's face brightens. I know, she exclaims. This tiffin is for doctors, police, and people fighting from corona. Our teacher told us about it. She looks proudly at her mother. Are we going to give them these tiffins? Her mother nods her head and says, of course we are. Okay, so I'll help. She hops out of her chair and starts helping her mother. Moral, sometimes you have to help others without expecting anything from them, just to see how happy and loved that makes them.
Right. So it's a very good story, right? Everybody give a nice round of applause to her. Very good story. Okay. So, Denisha, now I'm going to tell you how you shoot that story. Okay. How to place the camera, how to place the shots, how to place the angle, everything. Right. Now, everybody listen to this. You will be able to get idea of how to shoot your story also. Okay. So, based
So
on
I
that,
was unable to hear her.
okay. So when I start telling you the story, when I telling you, you'll be able to listen. You can hear me properly.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let me start. So what is the story? The mother is packing some tiffins. Okay. Mother is packing some tiffins. So how will you shoot it? Where can we shoot it? We can shoot it either on the dining table. Barabar? She has got a lot of tiffins on the dining table, and she's got this bartan where she's putting whatever she's cooking, either sandwich or dal or sabji or something in those packets. So tiffin or either tiffin or those square packets जो आते हैं ना अपने डिलीवरी बॉय के साथ बराबर हम लोग बाहर से खाना ऑर्डर करते हैं तभी आते हैं maybe they
Yeah.
can use that kind of packets, right? We can that can be packed. You cannot keep on giving bartans to everybody. You cannot give dabba to everybody. बराबर बराबर Delisha, right? You can't send डब्बा to everybody. फिर डब्बा सब खत्म हो जाएगा घर का, right? So you can buy those packets, that silver color packets that people use nowadays, right? So you have got 10 packets lined on the dining table. You are looking at your mother like this, right? Your mother is sitting there. So कौन सा shot होगा? Mid shot होगा.
Eagle shot.
मिड शॉट होगा. मिड शॉट में मम्मी आएगी और डब्बे भी आएंगे और बर्तन भी आएंगे जिसमें से मम्मी डब्बे में खाना डाल रही है बराबर. सो शी सीज मम्मी पैकिंग द डब्बास, राइट, एंड शी आस्क्स मम्मी व्हाट डज शी आस्क मम्मी. तो उसने अभी लॉन्ग शूट किया है, पहले देरिशा ने किया है लॉन्ग शूट. सो you can also do that. You can first show a long shoot where Derisha is sitting and her mummy is sitting, right? Then you can shift the camera to where Derisha is sitting and show mommy in mid shot. Okay, mid shot, exactly what she has written, Derisha has written mid shoot. Okay, mid shoot. So you'll have this mommy packing shoot. So then Derisha asks her mother, right, what are you doing, who are you packing this for, right? She'll ask the mother. अभी ये क्या हो सकता है? Either mid shot हो सकता है या फिर OS हो सकता है, right? What is nice, what is better? Derisha has written OS. What will you do? Will you put OS? मतलब देरिशा के पीछे से, लड़की के पीछे से कैमरा मम्मी के ऊपर जाएगा बराबर.
Yes, sir.
बराबर, everybody is getting it. So when yes, Nakul, OS. So when Derisha is asking her mommy, who are you packing this for? Camera will be behind Derisha and mommy will be sitting in front of her in a mid shot, right? यहाँ से आएगा कैमरा और पूछेगी. Then mommy will answer. What does she answer? These tiffins are being packed for fighters, right? So now you want that mommy to be seen while she's saying that, or you want Denisha to be seen? Mommy to be seen.
Mommy.
Mommy to be seen because it's a nice dialogue. Nah, I'm packing it for fighters. So mommy will be seen. Right? Then you can shift it to mommy's the camera can go behind mommy. Right? And then she can Derisha then you can show Derisha saying fighters. Yes, fighters. She'll say fighters so that we can show the girl. I'm talking Derisha. I should say. Are you going to be part of the film, Derisha?
I'm planning on my sister.
Okay. So मम्मी के पीछे कैमरा होगा और देरिशा को दिखाएंगे कि fighters. Then again the camera will be behind Derisha and you can show mother saying yes, for people who are fighting in this pandemic, for people who are fighting for their life, and for people who are fighting for our lives. That is what mommy says. So इससे देनिशा के पीछे कैमरा रहेगा, बाद में वापस मम्मी के पीछे कैमरा जाएगा and daughter's face brightens. Oh wow, you know, she says, I know this defense is for doctors, police and people fighting from corona. Our teacher told us about this and she's very proud that her mommy is doing something very nice for the society, right? She's very proud. And then again she'll say, are we going to give them to the defense, give them this defense? Then mommy nods her head and says, yes, we are going to give them the defense. Okay, so I'll help. Then the camera will be kept aside and you can show the girl walking to the mother. So both mother and daughter are in the frame, in the picture, and they are both started packing the dabbas. इधर अपना story end होता है, बराबर? Now understand one thing. सबको समझा? Everybody understood this? Now please
Yes, sir.
understand. Now please understand. When you're shooting, you're not going to shift the camera here and there and here and there and here. Okay, you're going to shoot the entire thing 2 times. Okay, now how this is what is going to be seen on the screen. अभी जो मैंने बताया वो स्क्रीन पे दिखेगा, लेकिन शूट करते समय हम लोग ऐसा शूट नहीं करते. शूट करते समय हम लोग ऐसा शूट नहीं करते. ओके, हम कैसा शूट करते हैं? एक बार एक शॉट में mommy and the girl is there sitting. So this side there's mommy packing some things on the dabba in the dabbas, and this side Derisha is sitting. So maybe they are across the table. बीच में टेबल है, ये साइड में मम्मी है, ये साइड में the girl is there, right? And you can show the entire. It can be long shot, right? When long shot, table and girl and mommy, everybody is there inside the frame. Frame मतलब अपना picture, बराबर? Then you take the camera behind Derisha or the girl, right? And you keep the camera there. You are not going to move. The entire conversation between Derisha and her mom is to be shot by keeping the camera only there. समझ में आया? Okay, I'll show you. Now,
Yes, sir, I understood.
these are 2 people.
Yes, sir.
These are 2 people, right? Now, when you are seeing it on the screen, first this one will talk, then 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 this one will talk, this one will talk. Barabar? That means the camera will be here. Where my eyes are, there will be camera, OS. Right? Then again the camera will be here. Again the camera will be here. ऐसे नहीं होता है शूटिंग. शूटिंग के समय हम लोग कैमरा बार बार हिलाते नहीं है. शूटिंग के समय what we'll do, this is the girl and this is mom. Okay? So now the girl will ask all the questions and mom will answer all the questions while keeping the camera in one place. Then we'll shift the camera behind mom and the girl will ask all the questions and mom will answer all the questions exactly as they were there with the camera in one place. Understood?
So,
समझ
sir,
में आ रहा है?
you shoot 2 times the same video.
We have to shoot the entire scene 2 times. So first scene, we are going to show long shot. The second entire shoot will happen with the camera behind Derisha. The third entire, all the dialogues will happen with the camera behind mommy. And the fourth will be again long shot where Derisha will get up from the table, go to the mommy, and then she starts helping mommy packing. Kesia, please put your mic off, please. Kesia, please put your mic off. Kesia, can you hear me? Yeah, thank you. Understood, everybody? ऐसा हम लोग को शूट करना है. So what I'm going to do ना, अभी आज तो आप लोगों ने शूट नहीं किया है. Tomorrow I'm going to shoot something and show it to you. You can also try shooting yours. वो हम लोग क्या करने वाले हैं? I am going to shoot something. I am going to send it to you. I am going to send it to you, and we are all going to edit only one thing. मी जे शूट करीन ते सगळ्यांनी एडिट करायचं.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
See,
sir.
Understand, if we start editing each of your films, we'll require 20 days. Right? Because each film will take 1 day. So one film we'll do in 1 day. So I will send you one film to edit, We'll all edit the same film. We'll all do the same edit, and with that idea, you can practice your film on the next day. Barabar?
Sir.
Understood, everybody?
Yes,
Right?
sir.
So we are going to do it that way. Okay. Okay. Let me take one more story. Okay. Let me take one more story. So whose story you want me to take? Who wants me to read that story? Tell me. किसका स्टोरी पढ़ूं अभी? अरे
Sir,
तुमने
can I read? Sir, I have not sent it to you yet, but
No,
can I
no.
read my?
No. Then we have to wait. You have to send me the story first. So whose story? Okay,
Sia.
let Sia want your story to be read. Okay, read it. चलो. ए स्वरा तुझी
Okay,
स्टोरी
sir.
कुठे आहे? स्वरा तुझी स्टोरी कुठे आहे?
मी तुम्हाला सेंड केलेलं.
ईमेल केलेली?
हा ईमेल केलेली मी.
मला दिसतच नाहीये.
मी परत एकदा करू का?
हो परत एकदा कर. नंतर
हा.
कर. क्लास संपल्यावर कर. हा?
ठीक आहे.
Okay, Sia, come on. Where is Sia? Sia, गई कहाँ? हाँ,
So
yeah, I saw. Okay. Read.
In a healthy, wealthy house, there lived three sisters. The middle one was a kind and hard-working girl. One day, she decided to bake a cake. She asked her elder
Wait.
sister.
Sia,
Sia,
could
hold
you
the mic.
keep the mic?
Yeah, little. Don't keep it so near your mouth.
Actually,
Okay.
don't hold it.
Yeah, we can hear you like that.
Is this fine?
Yeah, much better.
Thank you. In a healthy, wealthy house, there lived three sisters. The middle one was a kind, hard-working girl. One day, she asked. Sorry, can I repeat?
Yeah.
I just missed the line.
Your voice is gone. Sia.
Can you hear me?
Now I can hear you.
Okay, in a healthy, wealthy house, there lived three sisters. The middle one was a kind and hard-working girl. One day, she decided to bake a cake. She asked her elder sister to give her little money as she had the rest of the money for ingredients. The elder sister said, "Sorry, I have a new web series on the television. I'm ready to get up." Then she went to her younger sister and asked the same to her. Her reply was, "Toys are awaiting for me. Sorry." This way, the middle sister asked for help.
Sia, I think you are touching your mic. Let go of your mic.
Okay, sir.
Okay. बोलो आगे.
For help from them, and they ignored her, so she did everything herself. Finally, the cake was ready. She said, "Who will help me eat the cake?" "Oh, wait, nobody helped me make the cake, so then nobody will help me eat the cake."
Right. So lovely story, another different story. So very nice, very nice. Okay. So now, Sia, do you have two sisters?
So, I'm actually planning I will take my sister, my mother, and me.
Oh, then you are going to make your mother sound selfish? Okay, fine. If you want to do that, you can do that. But see if you can get a friend or somebody.
Okay.
Where are you from?
Sir, Maharashtra.
म्हणजे कुठे राहतेस? आत्ता कुठे राहतेस?
Atta.
मुलुंड.
Muscat.
That's what you're in Muscat, right?
Yes, sir.
So, okay. Then if you can get a neighbor or a friend or somebody who stays nearby, otherwise use your mother, don't worry. Okay? Otherwise you can take your mother. So now how will she shoot it? Tell me. How should she shoot it? Let me open Sia's story. And let me see what she has written in her shooting. Okay? क्या किया है उसने? Short breakup. Okay. In a healthy, wealthy house, there lived three sisters. Zoom shot. Sia, zoom shot कहाँ से कहाँ तक जाएगा? Zoom shot में
Sir,
क्या
I'm
है?
actually planning for a house, like for that particular sentence, I'll be zooming on the house.
Okay, she'll be showing a house in long shot or extreme long shot and zooming into the house. बराबर?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You know where you're going to shoot that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then the next one is mid shot, tracking her going towards the elder sister. So, see, remember one thing, there's a conversation going on. Barabar? While the conversation is going on, you should not track. and you should not track here. Okay, you should not track here. You directly take a mid shot. Tracking shots are very difficult to take. You should not move with the camera. Okay, it is nice to learn, but you should not do it with handheld camera. फिर वो shake आ जाएगा, फिर अच्छा नहीं दिखेगा. So you directly take a mid shot. Okay. So
Oh, but sir, I have this kind of like a tripod which I can use.
yeah, even what tripod is not enough. It will still shake. So use the tripod. You mount the camera on the tripod, but keep it static. Don't move the camera. You take it into mid shot. You can hold it, just hold it, but don't move with the camera. आगे पीछे मत जाना. Huh?
Okay.
Okay. So you are taking a mid shot. Don't do tracking. You are taking a mid shot and you're asking the elder sister, will you help me? Right? Or you're asking what? Give me one.
No, sir. When she decides to bake a cake, for that I had written a mid shot. And then when she asks, that's a OS.
So when she asks, she's doing an OS. So इसके पीछे कैमरा होगा और सिस्टर कहेगी कि no, I have a new web series on television. I am busy. So she's acting very snobbish. Okay, she's not ready to help her sister. Then she'll go to the younger sister. वहाँ पे she's again having an OS, right? So you have to take 2-3 different shots. You have to keep the camera. You have to show yourself going to the sister. Then you have to show yourself going to the other sister also, and then take the OS. Whatever. But don't track. You can show yourself walking. Don't track. Okay. You try it.
So I should not move the camera and just keep it on a place
Yeah.
when I move here.
Yeah, but if you can try it once, if it doesn't shake too much, you can use it. Okay. So then she goes to the other sister and asks that sister. So she says, no, my toys are calling me. Okay. So she also says sorry. Then you are taking a high angle. Abhi high angle shot kahan se dogi? You stand on something and take. Will you stand on a
Yes.
table or something?
Yeah, I have a stool-like table from there.
So somebody else will have to take the shot if you are going to act.
Yeah.
And you have
I'm
to
going to
train.
be asking my father for that.
Yeah, you have to tell him how to take the shot, right? So how to take the shot. So you take that shot like this, right? And then afterwards, you have to just show the cake prepared and ready in your front. Don't show preparing of the cake. If you want to show, you can show quickly. But you don't have to extend the cake. हाँ बोलो.
I have this kind of something like where I can increase the speed. Like if it goes to 4 into speed, then it will be really fast. So if I show the making of cake, it will be just like the fast movements.
Try it. You can try it. So that you're going to show, and then so this is a nice story. Let us see how you are able to shoot it. Then we'll see how we can edit it. Okay. So yeah, all getting the idea of how you are going to shoot. Anybody else wants to try? We still have some time. Or should I go to the Movavi editor and show you some things?
Yeah, sir. Okay.
Yeah, sir. When I prefer Movavi.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, ये क्या है? मैं क्यों दिख रहा हूँ यहाँ पे? Lopamudra, can you come on the screen? You have put me on the screen. Lopamudra, have you heard everything? Because you came a little late. Have you heard everything? Okay, chalo, let's go ahead. So I'm going to show you Movavi. Okay, I'm going to show you now Movavi editor. Now just watch for the time being, right? I'm recording this. I'm going to send it to you tonight itself. Just watch first. Okay, just watch first. I'm going to show you some simple things right now. I'm not going to do any complicated things, but I'm going to tell a story using some pictures, photographs. Okay, using some photographs. We are going to build a story using some photograph. Very simple story. Okay, so I have got some photographs. I'm going to show you the photographs first. Then we'll see. Okay, now how do I share this with you? Okay. Open. I've got it. So here it is. Can you see the screen?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah. So I'm going to go to software. See, now I'm going to tell
No,
you a
sir, I
story.
can't see.
Okay, wait. It'll come. It'll come on.
We can see.
Yeah, we
We'll
can.
be reading, sir.
आएगा सबके screen पे आएगा. It'll come on everybody's screen. Okay. Tell me when everybody is able to see it. Everybody is able to see it now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
we had gone on a
Yes, sir.
picnic.
Now I'm able to see.
Okay. So we had gone on a picnic. Okay. We had gone on a picnic to a beautiful lake. Okay. It was a dam. Right. We had gone on a picnic to a beautiful dam. There was very clear water, and we could see the reflection of the mountains in the water. See, this also another view of the lake, right? Then there were very beautiful mountains nearby. So we had gone on a picnic there. So the place was near a very small, tiny, lovely village. It was a nice in Marathi we call Tumdar Shar. That's a chota sa gaon hota, right? It was a beautiful village with these kind of houses, brick and tiled houses. We had this village. Then it had got a fort and it has got lovely green area and lovely mountains around. And there were sheep and cattle grazing. It was nice and green everywhere. Then where we had gone, it was a lovely house where we had stayed in our friend's place. Okay, we had stayed in our friend's place. My friend has got a beautiful house at the in this place, right? There was also the river nearby, and we had actually gone to the river to take a small dip in the water. All right, and this was the house where we stayed. It was a lovely house, and we had gone by this car. All right, and then we also played some cricket. Okay, we also played some cricket. So थोड़ा सा time pass किया, मस्ती किया. We had a lot of fun playing cricket. We went back exhausted home. And then we in the night we also cooked something in the pot. Okay, we cooked like we do in camping. We cooked something in the pot. It's called popti. Yeah, it's called popti. Yes. Yeah. So we cooked popti in the campfire. Okay, so we all had a lot of fun there. And then there were beautiful flowers around everywhere. This was one flower which we had got, and then we had got another beautiful flowers in the garden there, right? So this is how our picnic went off. So simple story, right? अभी ये अपने को फिल्म बनाना है इसका. Now when you tell a story like this, it's all mixed. So for example, flowers end में आया. Flowers should be in the beginning, right? The house also should be immediately after the fort, and last में cricket आएगा, right? We have to show cricket in the end. How do I show that? Let me go to the software. I've opened the software here. Okay, I've opened the software here. Once you open the software, I'm going to again do this. So once you open the software, you come to this part. ये ऐसे होता है, empty होता है. हाँ? See, it is like this. This is how you see the software when you first open it. All right. Now, how to add files to edit? How to add files to edit? You just have to go to your folder. This folder. This is the folder where I have kept all the images ready. Okay, these are all the images. So I just have to pick all the images and pull them. Here they go. I'm just going to pull them into this. Can you see what I'm doing? I leave them. Here they go. Sub images are there. You saw what I did? Everybody? Everybody saw what I did? I'll repeat
Yes,
it.
sir.
Yes,
I'll
sir.
repeat it. I'll repeat it.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Oh, it is so easy. You just have to pull all the images directly from the. Okay, so now I can choose. So how should I start the story? We had gone on a picnic to a beautiful place which was in the mountains. Okay, I'll start with that. Mountain wala pehle leta hu. What I'm doing, I'm just picking up this photograph and pulling it here. This is called a timeline. Can you see this? This is called a timeline. What is it called?
Timeline.
What is it called?
Time.
Timeline.
Timeline.
Why do you think it is called timeline?
Timeline.
Why is it
Timeline.
We can adjust
It shows the time in which the shot is taken.
It tells us it will tell the how much time the photo is supposed to be.
the time and we can
Time that photo
How much time we want to click the picture for.
Wait.
Or even the audio, if you add the audio.
Yes, perfect. So let me tell you what it is. Okay. See, any film has runs for a particular period of time. Barabar? There's a start to film and end to the film. Barabar? There's a start and end. It is always going to be going from 0 second to number of seconds or minutes or hours. Alright? So this, it's in a line. It is not going up and down, right? ऐसे नहीं होता है ना. There's always a story which is told from 0 second to whatever second it is going to go, right? That's why it's called timeline. And we use any software in the world, any software in the world which you are going to do for video, it is exactly same. Every single video editing software will have what? A timeline. Barabar? Have timeline. So what is this timeline telling us? This timeline is telling us कि this is from the zero. ये देखो इधर, can you see this? This zero, right? So this zero to it is going to how many seconds? How many seconds is going? 4 seconds, right? So this picture will play for 4 seconds. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to press my space bar. Okay, I'm going to press my space bar. See this. Now, because I have not given any movement to that picture, it is just going to stand there. But right now we have to do that. So we went to a picnic near the mountains. Very nice and green it was. Then this mountain was near a village. So I'm going to put the village. Here are the villages, right? So next is the shot of the village. There was also a river nearby. So here is the river here. There was also a river nearby, right? There was a river nearby. See this. Then there was a beautiful lake also. So this is the lake and this is the lake. Two pictures of the lake. Barabar? This is the lake. Now what is left? So we played a lot. It was also full of beautiful flowers everywhere. So this is one picture of flower. This is another picture of flowers, right? Right? And then we enjoyed a lot. And when we had gone there, we also played a lot of cricket. So there's a cricket here, right? We played cricket, and after playing cricket, we went to the house, my friend's house. So this is the house, and another picture of the house. And in the night, we also cooked like campfire. On the campfire, we cooked some wonderful dishes. So this is the. So I'm ending the story here. Okay, I'm ending the story here. So now let us play. So when we start here, play. Every picture will play for 4 seconds. See, 4. It'll change to next 4 seconds. Next 4 seconds. See, beautiful now. On the right side, you can see it playing, right?
Yes.
Okay, I'll stop. Now, 4 seconds for one picture is a little long. Remember? 4 seconds is a little long. So I'm going to reduce it to 2 seconds. Okay, how do I reduce it to 2 seconds? No questions on Q&A. Let me see what's Q&A. So did you make a movie? Did you do acting and animation movie? I've made a lot of movies, Sandeep. संदीप नाही काय नाव आहे तुझं?
Avni.
आवनी मी खूप पिक्चर बनवलेत. चिक्कार, खूप कंपन्यांसाठी पिक्चर बनवले आहेत, खूप डॉक्युमेंटरीज बनवले आहेत. 1-2 छोट्या अॅनिमेशन, तुम्हाला आवडेल असं अॅनिमेशन नाही ते इंडस्ट्रियल अॅनिमेशन बनवलंय, राईट? मी ऍक्टिंग माझ्या स्टुडंट्स बरोबर केलंय एका मूवी. मी दाखवतो तुम्हाला आज शेवटी जाताना मी ऍक्टिंग केलेली पिक्चर फिल्म दाखवतो. ओके, आय शो यू वन ऍड फिल्म इन विच आय हॅव ऍक्टेड. ओके, so I've done a lot of movies, lots of movies. Okay, let's start. Okay, so now I'm going to reduce the time. How do I reduce the time of this? So I just have to take my cursor here. ये जो 4 डॉट दिख रहे हैं ना, can you see this? Can you see this? My cursor is changing. So
Yes, sir.
I'm just going to pull.
Yes, sir.
Pull. ये pull कर दिया. Then I'm going to pull this also. Sorry, I've shifted it.
The duration option.
I'm changing the duration of every clip that I have kept there. Okay. Oh, sorry, I changed it. Okay, here it is. I'm going to change the duration. There's another way of changing the duration also. I'm going to double click this, right? I'm going to try. Where is this duration? Duration kahan gaya? Favorite.
Ma'am, it was there. Sir, it was there only. You double click it again.
Okay. Here it is. Duration. So here I can reduce the duration. See. So I'm going to make it 2, right? And this I'm going to keep it 0. I'll tell you what that 0 means. Okay, 2. Then again I double click. I'm going to make this. I keep this here. I can just do this and say 2.0. Here it is. Undo. I just keep my cursor here and say 2. Double click, keep my cursor here, say 2. Can I do it for all? I can do it for all. Select all. See? So now it play for 2 seconds each. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, and 2. That's fine. 2 seconds is fine. Okay, it's not becoming boring. Now, abhi kya karna hai? Now I want to put something in between. I don't want the picture to change, cut, 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 cut. I want to put something called transition. And this picture is long, right? This picture is long. I want to change how it looks. Abhi aap dekho barabar. Try it out at home if you want to, but don't spend too much time on this because we are going to do it later again. So I'm going to go and do it in some adjustments that I know. Okay, so whatever I do, I'm going to find where I've got pan and zoom. Okay, I'm going to use pan and zoom. Can you see this? ये चार चौकोन है ना
Yes, sir.
यहाँ पे.
Yes,
So I
sir.
went to pan. And this is top to bottom. This is left to right. This is left to right. So I'm going to take left to right. Okay, I'm going to click that. I'm going to pull it, and place it on top of
Sir,
this. See,
your screen is not visible.
and
Sir,
right.
it is visible.
No, it is visible.
It is
It is
visible.
visible.
किसको नहीं दिख रहा है? Who said that? For whom is it not visible?
Sir, now it is visible.
Okay. So what I'm going to do is first I'm going to make this little bigger. So I'm how to make this bigger? ये नीचे देखा? I'm just going to expand this. That does not change the number of seconds. It's just showing it to be bigger. Okay. So I want to see it. So now I'm going to take left and right wala pan and zoom, and I'm going to put it on top. See, there's a plus sign that has come. Can you see that? See, there's a plus sign that has come. Right? I'm going to place it on that. Now I can see two dots here. One dot is here and one dot is here. Can you see that? So I'm going to see the
Yes,
last
sir.
dot. So I'm going to what I'm going to do is
sir. Can you
yes, yes.
that? How can we add the pictures and how can we add the effect?
Pictures you want to know again?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Wait, I'll just finish this and I'll repeat. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So
Yes,
let
sir.
us say we have added the picture.
Sir, I want to ask something.
हाँ बोलो. Tell me
Sir, how to do the video of 2 seconds?
how to make the video of 2 seconds. Yeah, that's what you asked.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll show it to you again. Don't worry. I'll show
Yes,
it to you
sir.
once. Okay. Let me finish this. Okay, let me to show it to you right away. I'm going to undo this or I'm doing Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. Okay. I'm going to do Control Z. I'm going to delete this from here. I'm going to move all tools and this. Okay, I'm going to delete all the pictures from here also. Here I'm deleting all. Remove all this. So what you have to do is you have to go to your folder manager. You know what is the folder manager? File manager in your laptop or computer. File manager. You have to find your file manager where you must have stored the pictures in one file, one folder. Okay, whatever pictures and whatever videos you are using, you should save in one single folder. Okay, from that folder you have to open. How do you open file manager? You have to press the Windows and E button. Windows and E. Okay, together. Press Windows button and E button. You'll open the file manager. Then you can see wherever your pictures are located. You can go to the file folder menu and find the pictures. So I'll go to the file manager. I'll select all these pictures. I'm going to, okay, Keshia, can you see? Keshia and Alia, can you both see what I'm doing now?
Yes, sir.
I'm repeating. Okay. So I'm going to select all these pictures. I'm going to simply pull them with the mouse. See, I'm pulling them with the mouse. Like I have to go to the software first.
So
Okay.
we can.
Yes.
Okay, now we can see. Now we can see. Now as in I can see.
Yeah. So now I can just pull the pictures into this add file section. See, all the pictures have come. Right. Now I'm going to again take this picture and pull it. This is called a timeline. Okay. This is called a timeline. So you can see the time here. See 0, 5, 10 seconds. I'm going to pull. The first one is this picture, right? So we went on a picnic. Then we went on a picnic near the mountain where अच्छा they और एक mountain का picture भी है. We went on a picnic near some lovely mountains. There's another picture of the mountain. There was a lovely lake there. Okay, so I'm going to take 2 pictures of lake there. I'm just pulling them. Okay, I'm just pulling them down. Then what? There was a lovely river also there, right? And this was located near the house. These are near a village, right? And in the village and surrounding there's some beautiful flowers, right? We played a lot of cricket. We played a lot of cricket. After playing cricket, we went to my friend's house, and in the night we also cooked on campfire some nice, lovely dishes. That is my story. Now, when you see by default, when you put the pictures, it comes for 4 seconds. Let's see, it is coming for 4 seconds. ये देखो, यहाँ पे 3, 4. Each picture will come for 4 seconds. I want to change it to 2 seconds. So I'm going to select all these and double click, right? And double click. So I'm going to select all this, and you see the duration here. You can go to clip properties. Click here and say minus. All pictures become 2 seconds. Right? Now when I play, all are going to become 2 seconds. Now this picture, the first picture, I want to move like this. Okay. I want to take the picture and move like this. I say, like a film, as if you have shot it on a camera, video camera. I want to make a video of that. So how do I do that now? See, with pictures you can play like this. So I'm going to first increase the duration of this. Okay, I'm going to make this as 4 seconds or maybe more, because I want to change it. Then I'm going to go where I'm going to go to this, and I'm going to take the which one, pan and zoom left to right, right? And then I'm going to pull it and place it on top of this picture. Immediately I get 2 dots here, one blue dot, one red dot. Blue dot means start of animation and red dot means end of animation. This kind of animation we are doing. So first I'm going to select the start. I'm going to take it right in the beginning of the clip. Okay, right in the beginning of the clip, right? So this is my first dot. And what am I going to show? This is that picture that is going to be seen. I want to show a little more also. So I'm going to make it bigger. I'm just doing it with the mouse. Okay, it's very easy. You can do it. I'm going to show it like this, right? And in the end, this is the end dot, right? This is the end. I'm going to put it right up to the end, and there I'm going to click it. I'm going to show this part. Now we are going to see some magic. See, without using a movie camera, we have made a movie. Right? We have made a movie. Now we can do this. We can do this for all. We can do this for all. So let us try. Let us do this for all. Okay. So what should we do now for this? We should not play too much with it. Okay. But okay, let's not do it for all. It's acha nahi lagega. Okay. It's not look good. So now I'm going to put something in between each shot. That's called transition. Okay. It's called transition. What does transition do? What we are doing now is see. So it cuts. Right, it cuts to the next picture.
The transition adds something in it, and then it goes like in a wipe mode, or there's so many transitions you can add. Then the video becomes more nice.
So I'm going to put a transition. Now, where are my transitions? They are here. Okay, they are here. So there are so many transitions available. There are so many transitions available. I'm going to use one of them or all. See, so barn those. Acha nahi dikhega. You have to also see which one looks good. Okay, so there's one thing called gradient. There's one great. You can try out these transitions one by one. So maybe I'm telling a story. So I'm going to put this here. You can see what has happened there. I'm going to expand the view. ये transition इधर आ गया. What does happen when the transition is put? See on the screen here. It's like I'm turning a page, right? It's like I'm turning a page. So I'm going to reduce this transition to us. Right, then maybe I can use turning the page and also turning little. So I'm going to put the transitions are always placed in between the two shots. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
what happened here? See, turn the page and then turn the page. See, that's the second transition. So you can try out different transitions. Okay, you can try out different transitions. This is a cross transition. We have but chota hai, bada hai, so we just reduce the transition here. Then we can use bandos here. Okay, bandos here. I'm recording this, so tomorrow when you have time, you're all going to try it out. Okay, you're all going to try it out, except those people who have not been able to download. Okay, unke liye main, let's see what we can do. So this is another one. Sorry, circle. We normally don't use so many transitions. Huh? We use only very few transitions. I'm just showing it to you how it looks. Okay. Baki ka I'm not putting any transitions. Now let us see the film. Here dekho. So we went on a picnic near the hills, beautiful green valley. It was so lovely. There was a beautiful lake there, and there was a river also, and it was in a small village, and there were some beautiful, beautiful flowers everywhere. We played a lot of cricket, and we went and rested in my friend's house. And in the night, we lit a campfire and cooked. Right? Barabar? That's the story. So now what do
Sir,
we
if
do?
we add audio to it, then it will be more impressive.
No, we have not done the audio right now. Okay, right now we have not done the audio. This will be just pictures. Okay.
So I want to ask something.
Bolo. Tell me.
Sir, the transition we put in the between of two pictures.
Always between two pictures. Transition का मतलब
Okay,
ये
sir.
है. Transition का मतलब ये है. You're transitioning from one to another. So now I'm increasing this thing thoda because it was happening too fast. Okay, so I'm just increasing a little bit roughly. I'm not
Sir.
counting. I'm not counting. Okay, yeah, bolo.
Sir, if you want to do anything in the pictures, like for animals, things, can we do like?
You have to put more animals. You have to make the pictures of those animals.
Okay.
Okay, you can't do directly. Okay, so this is what we have got. Now, abhi hum log, let me see if I can introduce some sound. Okay, let me see if I can. यहाँ पे मेरा, so this is the folder where all the media bin मतलब all the pictures. Now there is already some sound that they have given. What is this? Let us see. Oh, these are all sound effects. Music में देखें क्या music. So it's downloading from the server. Okay, we'll use this music. I'm going to just pull the music down.
Sir, but actually over there is one more option of traveling also. I have seen this. Sir, in over there, if you go to the traveling one, I guess it might be good. Means because the theme is a travel is of travel.
No. It's okay. I'm just showing it to you right now. Okay, it's okay. So this is the music I've chosen now. That you can try out yourself. Okay, you can try out all sorts of traveling. There's a lot of music available. You can use that music. Or yeah, music ज़्यादा है. I'm going to just pull and cut it. Okay, I'm going to cut this music. I can also take my cursor here. Okay, and I'm going to right click here and I'm going to split. I'm going to delete this part. Okay, that's also I can do.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
But is there any way to make the video from the pictures more smooth without putting transition to remove the picture changing effect?
Remove the picture changing effect? No, you cannot do that. This is how it will come. Okay, this is how it will come. Without transitions, there will be no smoothness. So you can also have some other. You can put another transition. So maybe you can use blur in and out. See how does this look? Let's see. This will be smoother. See, this is what you want. See, it is very smooth. Barabar?
Yes, sir.
You like that?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Can I share you my me all the videos which I have done for my school project?
You can send them to me.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Send one or two to me. So you can use this for that. See? Okay, I think I'll go by his. Where is this travel thing? Did you see? Where is this travel thing you saw?
Sir, it is in the music column.
Uh,
Sir, I'm right. Sir, yeah, sir, it's above over there. That file area.
It's travel.
Yes, sir.
Let's see how it is.
There is one.
यहाँ पे तो नहीं है travel.
So I want to ask something.
Yes.
Sir, can we also record audio?
I think you might be able to record
Yes,
audio.
sir, you can record audio. There's a
No,
microphone. like a
there
button.
will be recording audio. There will be everything in this software. Okay.
Sir, so can you please tell that where is that option?
No, not now. Tomorrow. Tomorrow. अभी बहुत late हो गया. Okay. And other thing is, I don't want to take this software for too much. Who asked me this question right now? Where is that option? I was not seeing this. Who asked me this question?
Sir, I, Keisha.
Keshia, see, this software is going to stop functioning after 4 more days. Barabar? So what we do in this software is we learn all the basics. Okay? And I teach you recording and everything in another software. Okay? Okay? Okay, Keshia?
Okay, sir.
I teach that to you in
Okay,
another
sir.
software. In this software, I'll only teach you the basics. बाकी everything I teach you in the another software. So I'm going to use this. अभी मैंने कौन सा तो Riverside Walk, right? Okay, I will use this one, music.
so, how
And
can we change the background of the videos?
no, I have not done anything. Oh, you can change. Yes, you can change.
But
Yes.
how can we do that?
I'll show it to you in another software.
Okay,
Not in
sir.
this software. Okay, not in this software. So we have made our first film. Okay, I'm going to save this as.
Sir, we can also choose videos in this.
Of course, we are doing it for videos. I'm just showing it on stills first, so you can practice this. So you should first practice on stills, like I've done. And tomorrow we are going to do videos. This is a video editing software.
So, sir, tomorrow we don't have to shoot the video of our story.
No, I'm going to give you the video. You can shoot and bring it. Okay, you can
Okay,
shoot and
sir.
bring it, but tomorrow the video that you are going to edit is what I will be giving you. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So I have a
So,
question.
sir, now we don't have to edit our video.
Wait. Now push on.
Hello?
So I
Sir,
have sent you
Wait. Swara is asking something first. Swara, bolo.
Yeah, sir, I had sent you the mail again of my story.
Okay.
Did you receive?
हे तू कुठल्या मेल आयडीवर पाठवतेस? नो आयडिया.
मला तुमचं नाव पॉप म्हणजे लिहिल्यानंतर असं येतं मंगेश करंदीकर असं मी त्याच्यावर सेंड करते.
Oh, I think you're sending it. Okay, I'll get it. Oh, don't worry, I'll get it up. Mail Ali. I got the mail.
हां.
सर आणि
I
तुम्हाला
read.
योगेश पोद्दारकडनं मिळालं ईमेल.
हो मिळालं. तुझं मिळालं. Yes. योगेश तुझं.
तुम्हाला माझी दुसरी वाली मेल मिळाली.
कोण विचारतंय मला हे?
एक तर व्हिडिओची.
Who is asking?
सर सिया.
सिया. हो मिळाली तुझी मेल मला. मिळाली. I got your mail.
सर मला विचारायचं होतं.
एक मिनिट थांबा, माझं कम्प्लीट होते आधी. आता ही फिल्म आहे ना, ही या सॉफ्टवेअर मध्ये आहे. सॉफ्टवेअर मधली फिल्म कोणाला दाखवता येत नाही. Okay, you cannot show the film in the software to anybody. Everybody will not have the software. So how should the film be? Film should be in the format of MP4. बराबर है ना? It should be in the format of MP4. So what to do for that? You go to the file menu. Okay, you go to the file menu or you एक मिनट. यहाँ पे क्या है? File, save as. इधर export है देखो, see there is an export button. So I'm going to say export video. Okay, no wait. First click here. Click here. Now I'm going to say export video, and then it will give me trial version. Now trial version is going to have this band here. We can't help that. Okay, we'll have to use the trial version. So save in trial mode. Okay, and I'm going to give the MP4 format. First film. I'm going to save it on my desktop. Okay, first film. I'm going to say quality good, right? So let me say quality good, not very high. This will be same. I'm going to save it, start, right? So now it is exporting that film. See, exporting that film. Right now, let me see how many MBs it has become. So I can see, okay, 46 MB. Now everybody, now what you can do is you can go to your WhatsApp, okay, and see the WhatsApp of the group. Yeah, why it is coming? Now ask me. Who was asking me a question? You ask me now. Bolo. Who was asking me?
Sir, so we don't have to shoot our screen tomorrow. I mean story.
No, but what you can do is you can take some pictures and build a story with that in Movavi editor.
Okay, sir.
Can you do that? You can shoot
Yes,
some
sir.
pictures. What you can try actually, you can try to shoot your story in stills,
Yes, sir.
photographs, right? And use those photographs
Sir, I want
build
to
the
ask
story like we
something.
did now. Yes, Keshia.
Sir, like you have taken the pictures. To do it, sir, can we also take videos?
We are going to learn videos only. This is just the beginning. Okay, from tomorrow onwards, we are going to do videos.
Okay, sir.
What is important is
Okay,
sometimes
sir.
in videos, see, suppose I am making a presentation. Okay, so now suppose this, I'm going to make a presentation of this what sanitizer, right? So I'm saying this sanitizer is very good. It is alcohol free, right? And it kills 99% of the germs. I'm making this advertisement. Now, while I'm doing that, I also need to show a specification card chart, right? Which is a still photograph. बराबर? It's a still photograph. So while I am showing the video, मेरे सामने एक chart आएगा. Now, when you are making presentations in your school, for example, right? You have to show slides also. Everything cannot be a video. Am I right, Kesia? Am I right, Kesia?
Yes,
Can you
sir.
hear me? Yeah. So you can mix video
Yes,
and
sir.
still. So you can mix video, still. You can always mix these two and create one single video. So when you are giving information about something, you need to put a still there or a photograph. Then continue with the video. So when you are saying something, so my the specifications for this particular
Sir.
sanitizer are.
And
So when you are doing that, it'd be very boring to see me reading. Instead, you can show the chart. That will be a photograph. That is why you should know how to put the photograph also in the video, and you should put also how the video should be put in the video, shoot in the video, right? So both you should done. So we have started with the photographs. Tomorrow we'll see the video. Okay?
सर मला प्रश्न
Okay,
होता
sir.
कोणाला प्रश्न बोल.
सर मला विचारायचं होतं की तुम्ही म्हणालात की एखाद वेळेस ओपन शॉट वर करू तर आम्ही शाळेमध्ये ओपन शॉट वर एक व्हिडिओ ट्युटोरियल केलं होतं आणि त्याला MOV मध्ये होतं ना तर ते कन्वर्ट करायचं होतं तर ते 2 GB झालं तर ते वाढताय ते कसं करू मी
फाईल साईज मोठी होते का त्याची
हो फाईल साईज मोठी होते
मी चेक करतो आणि सांगतो कारण मी पण तो जास्ती वापरला नाहीये मी चेक करून सांगतो तुला काय करता येईल
ओके ठीक आहे नाही आणि मॅक वर ते थोडं वेगळं आहे ना आणि मग ते अँड्रॉइड युजर्सना गुगल ड्राईव्ह वरनं ओपन नाही करता येत म्हणून
ओके आय चेक बरं सांगितलंस मला आय चेक दॅट ओके
हो सर
आय चेक थँक्यू फॉर टेलिंग
ओके सर
ओके so everybody understood today have you seen your WhatsApp have you seen the
yes
file?
sir
Yes, sir. I got your. Yes, I got.
Okay, so that is how we have made our first film today. Okay, so I think we'll stop today. It's 10:20. आणि मगाशी मी कोणतरी बघितलं मम्मा मला भूक लागली असं कोण म्हणाला मगाशी मी ऐकलं ते मगाशी somebody said मम्मा मुझे भूक लगी है ओके
तुम्ही मूवी ते दाखवणार होता ना
हा तुम्ही तुमची मूवी दाखवणार होता तुम्ही एका
हा येस थँक्यू आय शो यू दॅट मूवी नाव मी पहिले स्टॉप प्रेझेंटिंग करतो इथून ओके अँड देन आय शो यू दॅट मूवी
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah. Bolo.
Sir, how you shared that video to the WhatsApp group?
You click on the attachment and you click on document. On your computer. I am doing it from my computer. Sir,
can you please show once again?
I am doing it from my computer. I am using WhatsApp on my computer. Okay.
Yes, sir. I am also using that only.
Oh, so what you can do is I'll show it to you now. Take a minute.
There's a button like attachment. You just press that.
I'll show you. Here. When you go here, you press this attachment and you click on the document here. This. Then you can attach the document. Right? And send it. That's how you do it.
So I was unable to see your...
See, you go to WhatsApp, you click on this, and you click on document, right? And from the document, you can send any document that you want. Okay? Got it? Okay, now let me search for the film.
Yes, sir.
Let me search for the film. Let me see if I can find it. That is an ad for my institution, okay? I'm working for an institute called MET Institute of Mass Media. Okay, I'm working there, and my students and I made an ad. So the students made me act in that ad. So I'm going to show you that ad. Okay, let me see if I can find it quickly. Okay, I think I got it. Okay, wait. So these people are playing a game. Okay, they are playing a game. They have taken a matchbox and they have taken a glass and they are flicking the matchbox into the glass. Okay, that is the game they are playing. So the ad is about how practice and theory are both important in studies. Okay, so let me show. These are all older kids. They are not small kids. Okay, so let me show this. Can you see?
No, sir, it is not.
No, sir. No, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
आ गया. Okay, here it is.
Social media education is also something like that. You need to know a lot of theory, but you also need a lot of practice.
Sir, can you
So the more you practice, the better you get.
You want me to mute? अभी हो गया ad. See, that is the film. Okay, so that's what we do. So that's how we make ad films. Okay, so we have made this ad film last year when we are doing admission. So how did I do that? How did I flick it like this? How did I flick it like this?
So you had actually flicked it. You took a shot of
So,
that, and then
I can
another
see the
shot of
screen.
putting that thing under the glass.
Yes. So you know how to cut shots and how to cheat in film, right? I just showed flicking and then I cut the shot and I just took the glass and put the matchbox like this. And it looked as if I flicked it inside the glass, right, without looking at it, right? Similarly, you are going to shoot your films. You are going to show from here. You're going to, and this was not shot separate. Okay, it was shot together, and then we cut it, and place it as we want it. So that I'm going to show you tomorrow. Okay, how to shoot, and then so now you are going to go to sleep, everybody. अभी सबको भूख लगी है, सब लोग जाके खाना खाओ, जिसने खाना खाया नहीं है, और जिसको नींद आई है जाके सो जाओ. And now your parents are going to come back on the screen and they're going to tell me, what are you doing with my kids? You're not allowing them to sleep. Okay, so now go and eat and sleep. Okay, we'll meet tomorrow at 9 o'clock. All right.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so yes.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir. Have a nice